Okay, so my daughter has this game called Skylanders, and each Skylander has these little toys in it, like this. Okay?
Hey.
And so you buy these toys, and you set them on top of that, and then they end up on the game. Okay? So.
Hey, you can also use them.
So anyway,
They're in their
so
package.
my daughter found out that, well, was going through the gifts and found that I had wrapped some gifts. And so to find out what her gifts were, she went on and set them on the pad. And she found out that she had found Zap and Stealth Elf.
But,
so there you go. That's one way, kids, that you can find out what you got for Christmas.